Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anita. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. So today I'm gonna show you pink and black eye makeup. I have already put on the base makeups. Today I'm only gonna show you the eye makeup. So let's get on to the video. First I will apply the pink shade. I'm gonna use this one and this one to mix it and make it a bright color, darker shade of pink. I'm applying it on my crease and blend it out.
Put on my red heels and did my hair. Waited up all night cause I thought you cared. And now you're calling me saying, babe, don't start a fight. Stop living a fantasy. Sorry, excuse me.
I forgot to apply the press powder because when I'm gonna use a black one, it will fall out. So wait a minute. Okay, let's start the tutorial. The pink is done. I think it come out a very good color, beautiful color if you say. Now I will apply the black one. I'm using this black.
Put on my red heels and did my hair. Waited up all night cause I thought you cared. And now you're calling.
I will use a black eyeliner to make it more darker. I'm using a MAC eyeliner for make my black eyeshadow a little darker.
Put on my red heels and did my hair. Waited up all night cause I thought you cared. And now you're calling me saying, babe, don't start a fight. Stop living a fantasy. Sorry, excuse me. This isn't how I thought it'd be.
Also applied the liner in the upper waterline, and now I will blend it with the pink color. I'm taking the black eyeshadow.
Put on my red heels and did my hair. Waited up all night cause I thought you cared. And now you're calling me saying, babe.
I'm gonna be using the pink one as well.
Put on my red heels and did my hair.
My eyes are perfectly blended. Now I will do the under eye. First I will start with the eyeliner. Now I will blend it with the eyeshadow. I should take a smaller brush. Now I will apply the pink one. Smaller brush.
red heels and in my hair. Waited up all night 'cause I thought you cared.
Shadow is done. I have done the blending pretty well. Let's brush off the powder. I haven't applied the blush and the highlighter yet, so let's apply those. Okay, my highlighter is done. Now I will apply lipstick. My whole makeup is done. I hope you liked my this eye makeup. I liked it. So if you liked my video, please like, and if you have any idea what video should I do next, if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. It will be very helpful for me. And please subscribe. I hope you will subscribe and help me grow. And I love you all, and I'd like to interact with you all, guys. So comment down below, and this is the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Ta-da!